दक्षिण गोंय कलेक्टरात जनसुविधा केंद्र, कस्टमर सर्व्हिस सेंटर, पासपोर्ट सेवा केंद्रांनी असल्यो कांय फॅसिलिटी दक्षिणेंतल्या गोंयकारां खातीर आदलो दक्षिण गोंयचो कलेक्टर स्वप्नील नायकान प्लान केल्यात. ताची दिल्ली बदली जाल्या. आतां स्वप्नील आयुष मंत्री श्रीपाद नायकाचो PS. फाटल्या 14 म्हयन्यांत कलेक्टरात ताणें कितलींशींच कामां जाग्यार घाल्यात. स्वप्नीलाचो बुधवारा मिडिया कडेन फेरवेल जालो.
All the panchayats of South Goa. So that was by December of last year we had all the systems in place and all the panchayats were connected with their own computer, printer and the scanner, so that anybody could go there to the Talati office and scan the documents. The report would be uploaded from there and so the interaction with the Mamladar offices was reduced. Another activity which we simultaneously carried out was for the SC/ST certificates. These are certificates which are one-time issued certificates. All other certificates which we generally issue are valid for a certain period. So what we thought is that for SC/ST certificates, we would have special camps in all the schools. And so we tried to cover as many students from the SC/ST communities from the 5th to the 10th in the whole of South Goa. And I think we have almost achieved about 80% to 85% coverage. Citizen Service Center and the PRO office, you must have seen that we had started a PRO counter. Then we had a full-time PRO posted who would be guiding the people. We have also now formalized the agreement with the Kare College of Law for the Jan Suvidha Kendra. So now soon, within a month, I think the Customer Service Center is starting here in the ground floor of this building. The part has been handed over to the Goa Electronics Limited. I think another new thing that will happen soon is about another 1.5 months. The Passport Seva Kendra is also likely to start here. Highlight some of the things which we have done in the last 14 months.
भारताची ऑलराउंडर शिखा पांडेचो CIN भोवमान केलो. क्रिकेटीच्या मळार आयज मेरेन केल्ले कामगिरीचे श्रेय शिखा पांडेन आपल्या आवय बापायक दिलें. पालकांनी मेकळीक दिल्यान आपली सपनां पुराय करप शक्य जालें अशें शिखा पांडेन सांगलें. पालकांची भूमिका म्हत्वाची आसता म्हूण तिणें सांगलें. ब्रेसरा शिखा पांडेक भोवमानीत करपाचो प्रस्ताव विधानसभेतूय आयलो.
The kind of response that we are getting after doing so well in the World Cup is overwhelming, I would say. Firstly, to meet the Prime Minister. I wouldn't say it was a dream. The dream has always been to represent India, wear that blue cap. But then to meet him, someone who runs the country called us, spoke to us, and the kind of reception that I have gotten back here in Goa, I'm overwhelmed. And thank you for all of the support that I've been getting. So it's already mentioned everything about me. I would say, you talk about global Indian, I would consider myself a global Indian. I am a native of UP, my parents are from UP. I was born in Telangana. We moved to Goa when I was 8. So we've been in Goa for 20 years now and I'm a proud Goenkar. There's no doubt about it. I joined Air Force. I got commissioned on June 2012. And then after that, everything just fell in place. I got huge support from IAF, AFSCB, which is the sports promotion board with the Air Force. And I debuted for India in 2014 during the World Cup, which itself, I take huge pride in saying that the selectors had so much faith that for someone to debut in a World Cup playing against 8 countries was a huge thing for me. I incidentally also am the first Indian woman to score a 50 and take 3 wickets. I'm the only one who's done it till now. I hope I get more opportunities that way. Bowling all-rounder, I call myself. And the journey has, I would say the journey has just begun. 2014 I debuted, and here in 2017 we are playing the final of the World Cup. all of us would be watching. Yes, all of us would be asking you a question as to what happened. I would just say that even I don't know what happened. Is at the end of the day, it's just a game. Someone has to lose and someone has to win. Probably we can just go ahead, learn from the mistakes that we have done, and take pride in what we have done. You in particular will be inspired by what PM told us, and the next day on Sunday, I think it was broadcasted as well. He said, for the first time in my life, this was the first cricket match where the win or the loss did not matter. The loss, the हिंदी में बोला था उन्होंने, जो आप लोग हारे हैं उसका पूरा जो भार है 1.5 बिलियन जो जनता भारत की है उसने अपने कंधों पे लिया है.
की जो महिला खेळाडू त्या प्रत्येक राज्यातले खेळ्यो ह्या टीमीन त्यांचे प्रत्येक राज्यान त्याचो गौरव केलो गेलो, तांकां रोख बक्षिसां दिली गेली, पण त्याची नोंद थंयसर त्यांचा येदो व्हडलो गौरव जाता. शिखा पांडेचो गौरव आमच्या गोव्यान कित्याक जावचो न्ही याची नोंद गोंय सरकार, स्पोर्ट्स डिपार्टमेंट आणि गोवा क्रिकेट असोसिएशन घेवची आणि शिखा पांडेचो गौरव करून ताका कितें तरी रोख बक्षीस दिवचे अशी हांव शिफारस ह्या सभागृहान करता.
हे खेळलेले आहात आणि जे प्लेयर मुखार सरले आहात गोंयचे वर्ल्डा भितर जे नांव कमयले त्यांचे खातीर बेगींतल्यान बेगीन आमी एक स्कीम तयार करतली तांकां प्रायजीस दिवपा खातीर.
हे बुलेटिन हांगाच सोंपता. ह्यो खबरो तुमकां प्रुडंट व्हॉट्सॲप, ट्विटर, फेसबुक आणि प्रुडंट वेबसायटीचेर लायव्ह मेळटात. प्रुडंटाक फॉलो करात. नमस्कार.